Hi, my name is Shivinder Athwal. I'm from Allentown, Pennsylvania. Previously, I was working in a software company as a product manager. In December 2006, I was laid off from my company along with 300 other people. At that point, I decided to do something different, something that would allow me to be my own boss and live the lifestyle that I wanted. So I started my own offline marketing company, mainly selling SEO, website development, and text marketing services to local businesses. 2 years ago, I decided to expand into the online space, mainly because it's much bigger and I thought there was a lot more potential. It was during this time, while attending one of the webinars, that I was introduced to Mobe. I found out that Mobe was very different from any other company that I had seen before. For example, it had its phone team that would make the sales on your behalf. It also had a very high-end converting funnel. But best of all, it had the highest commission structure in the industry. And also, it made the sales for you. So it was a no-brainer for me to get started with Mobe. Matt Lloyd, who is the founder of the company, has made it into a multi-million-dollar company with sales over 20 million last year. He has a vision to take the company to the next level and is on target to reach $50 million sales this year. The Mobe community is one of the most friendliest community you will meet anywhere, and they'll help you, they'll guide you, you need any help, they're there for you. I think you'll find all the help you need in the community itself. Plus the leaders are fantastic, so you'll have no problems making progress within Mobe. The other thing I like about Mobe is the high quality of his products. For example, one of the products is the Mastermind, which I'm attending here in the Bahamas right now. Here at the Bahamas, we have been able to meet with all the top marketers in the world. We have learned how to take our business to the next level. I'm a newbie here and I have learned so many things. For example, I'm learning how to do webinars, which I did not know how to do before I came here. And another thing, I've learned how to do videos. This is the second video I've ever done in my life. And video is a very important part of online marketing business. And another thing I learned was networking. I've been able to meet some brilliant marketers while here in the Bahamas. And that's the other thing you need to do in order to grow your business. You have to get out from front of your computer, go and meet people and build your network. And that's just a few things Mobe has taught me. And I'm looking forward to learning a lot more. If you're looking for something different like I was, take a look at Mobe. It may be the answer to your problems. If you need help with anything, I'm here for you. Mobe is here for you. We'll take you by the hand and help you get to where you want to be.